One of my favorite extensions for doing online arbitrage and even retail arbitrage just got a pretty cool major update in determining profit calculations for your Amazon business. So I'm talking about Profitl, and it just came out with a storage feature that gives you a better idea of the profits you're going to make based on the amount of time that you have your items stored at the Amazon warehouse. So let's look at it. If you're not sure what Profitl is, it's a program that actually incorporates a lot of things into one for your Amazon business. It has a scouting app. It also has sort of a leads list built into the app. It has a Chrome extension, which we're going to look at today, that goes through the different metrics and different kinds of things that I'll show you here in a second for making smart purchases for your Amazon FBA business. So they did sponsor this video, and there is a link down below if you want 20% off of your monthly or even 5% off of the yearly, which it even gives you 50% off for the whole year to begin with. So it's a pretty good deal. Doesn't cost you anything extra, actually helps you out a little bit and helps me out a little bit. So if you're interested in this, make sure you check down below for that link to go check them out. Okay, so we're here on Amazon, and let me just show you how this thing works here, and then the new feature that they just rolled out. So let's just pick something on Amazon. We're just going to go with this, whatever's on the home page here, this Lego botanical kit. So it's $14.99, right? So we're going to open up the Profitl extension up here, and this is going to automatically put in the ASIN for us and give us all this data. Okay, so there's a lot of data here, but what we're going to look at is just the basics and then the update that they did. So you're going to put in here whatever the cost is that you're buying. So let's just say we get this for, I don't know, let's do $5. So we buy this for $5, we can sell it for $15. Here's the estimated monthly sales, $27,500. And then, you know, your estimated monthly revenue, of course, it sells for that. Your ROI, I like to keep mine at about 40 is what I start out at. I'll go down to 20 sometimes if, you know, it's a fast seller. So the profit, if we're spending $5, is going to be $1.93. Super fast seller. And down here, it's going to tell us who we're going to be competing against. Amazon has some. It's saying there's 20 in stock. JPM Solutions, American Sunrise, and you can sort of click on if you want to just go FBA or FBM. You can see who you want to compete against. So again, this isn't a product that I'm recommending picking up. This is just an example to show you sort of what the update was here. It's going to give you some warnings. It's got IP risks if Amazon's on it, all that kind of stuff. Graphs, this is going to actually bring up like a Keepa type graph here to show you the down dips in sales rank and some other options right there. But let's keep going here until we get to the storage fees. Here we go. This is the new thing that they've just rolled out right here. Storage fees. So if you look right now, here's the actual breakdown. So the FBA fee is $4.25. The referral fee is $2.25. Total fees, all that kind of stuff. And this is the cost up here. And then this is pretty cool because it'll tell you like, hey, if you bought 5 of them or 10 of them or whatever, it's going to tell you like, it's just going to multiply that automatically. So let's leave it at 1. So say we get 1 of these. And the total profit right here is going to be up to $2.16. And here's the storage fee. So if we say it's going to stick around for 1 month, the storage fees are going to be about 4 cents. 2 months are going to be 8 cents. 3 months, if it takes 3 months to sell this thing, so Amazon's storing it for 3 months, it'll be 12 cents, and it goes up like that. And then you can also do storage fees for quantity, and then it'll tell you the estimated storage fee total down here, right? Because this is going to stay the same up here, the storage fees, because that's per the item, okay? And this is going to be the months of however many items in there, so this is going to be the total of all of those items. And you can do it too. If it's hazmat, you can click hazmat, you can see the difference there. Hazmat's going to change it a little bit, or if it's oversized. And so that's really going to help you determine, hey, I'm going to buy these, but I'm only expecting to sell maybe 2 or 3 a month. you can see how those storage fees are going to affect your overall profits when you get into sourcing that product. So this is a cool feature that they brought out, does the math for you, gives you a better idea of, whether I want to get something that sells. If I'm okay with something that sells sort of slower, are the storage fees going to hit me harder than I'd like to? Or is this going to be a fast seller and it's not going to be an issue? So that's a cool thing to check out that they've just added. It's going to help make better buying decisions. I'm really enjoying the software so far. This has been a great tool. Again, check them out. Links down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to sub. And until next time, I'll catch you all later.